Today for math, what we are going to do is talk about different ways to write our numbers. Artie, do you have a quick question? Artie?
Are we gonna have homework again?
Just writing work today.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, I'm going to share my screen and kind of show you my little visualizer. So at this point, you should be able to see my whiteboard. Do you see my whiteboard? Yes? All right.
I can't see the top of it very well, or the bottom.
There we go. It's okay. We only have to see one part at a time. So today we're going to take numbers and write them in our boxes, okay? And we're also going to write them as tally marks. So the first number that I want to write, and if you can't draw boxes like this, you could always just draw dots like this. That's also fine, okay?
Okay.
So the first number that I want you to create is the number 8. So maybe write the number 8 at the top of your whiteboard. And when we write the number 8 in boxes, they go into sets of 5. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus 3 more makes 8. When you have this, hold it up so I can see it. I know it's gonna take you some time, so that's okay. Kyron, make sure you're doing the dots too. I see that you were the number 8. Nice work, Artie. That looks great. Yes, Aaron and Jenny and Maya.
I don't know how to do it. Do we have to make like the boxes?
I said if you can't make the boxes, then you can just draw 5 dots in a row and then 3 underneath. So if you can't draw these boxes, you can do this.
So we're doing it right now?
Yeah, and you can do a box like that around it, Willow, if you want.
Okay. So are we doing this right now, Mrs. Pottery?
You're doing it right now? I've already had some students.
Okay. I'm gonna have to get my paper.
Okay. Oh, nice work, Zoe. Nice work, Willow.
I need a second, Mrs. Pottery.
Okay. I think I see Abe's from a distance. Nice work, Abe. Good job, Kyron. Then make sure that you're doing only 8 dots. Oh, you did 4.
Can you see it?
Okay, good.
Can you see it, Miss Clarity?
Yes, I can. Nice work, Finn.
You see it, Got my paper.
Oh, good. So if you just got your paper, you can move on with us to do the tallies. To do tallies for 8, we have to make a set of 5. We do 1, 2, 3, 4. with 1 across to make 5, and then 3 more. That shows 8. This one's a lot easier than doing the dots. So whenever you have 8 tallies, just hold it up really quick. Nice, Ben. Willow, you might have to get closer to the camera. Good job, Zoe and Kyron and Durla and Malayla. I like your dots. And Aaron, I saw yours, and Finn, Jenny and Willow, thank you, and Maya.
Mrs. Clary, I don't see any pencils.
You might have to go ask a parent or something then. Or maybe a marker. Nice job, guys. That looks really good. So now that I know you can do an easy number like 8, you might try to get to a little bit difficult. So if you have a whiteboard, you can erase. If you're using a paper pencil, then you can grab something else.
I can grab a pencil or I could grab something else.
Yes, you could grab a marker, Noah.
Okay.
All right, our next number is going to be lucky number 17.
Oh, I can't draw much.
To draw 17 dots, you're gonna have to use 2 boxes. Because 1 box is 10, so we'll make our box of 10. And then you'll have to make 7 in this box. I'm not going to show you how to make 7. Maybe you can show me. I love how engaged Ben is. I can see he's really working hard. And Zoe's working really hard. And Willow, wow. Ooh, and Maya. And Artie looks like he's trying to show me a car or something. Ooh, Finn, that looks good. I see 5 on the top to make 50. And then 2 more to make 7.
Mrs. Cluttering, I can't really do this.
Okay, then at least try your best to pay attention. Nice. I see Sophia's, I see Zoe's, I see Aaron's, I see Ben's, I see Kyron's and Abe's.
Can you see mine?
I do see Willow.
Guess what? If you break,
I see Finn's. If you've already done the dots, maybe you can.
I have to move a moment because I'm not done yet. I have to draw my squares.
Okay, I'll give you a moment. If you have done your squares and boxes with dots, maybe try to do the tallies. See if you can do them. Maybe you can impress me. Try to do 17 tallies. Ooh, I see some 17 tallies on those boards. If you're working a little bit slower, that's okay. Wow. You guys are impressing me. Look at those.
Can you see it?
And Malayla, those dots look great. I do see it, Willow. It looks good. Nice work, Sophia. Nice, Artie. I see those tallies, I think. Those look great. Good job, Maya and Malayla.
Tallies? Are tallies lines?
Yes. So what I saw were a lot of tallies that looked like this. 5, 10, 15, with 2 left over, so 16, 17. Give me a thumbs up if that's what you have. If yours looks like mine. Yes, I should see lots of thumbs up because you guys were almost like copying me. You guys are perfect.
What did you say?
I said, you guys, you're like copying me. It's just perfect.
No, I'm talking about when numbers do. We just did 8 and 17.
Yes, we just did 8 and 17. Now I'm going to ask you a question. This question is going to require you to type it in the chat. So in the chat, I want you to type
I did it.
how many groups of 5 do I have in this number 17? How many groups of 5 do I?
How do I send on chat?
You type it and then hit enter.
Where's the enter at?
It should be a big bar on the side.
What does it say?
It says enter, which is E-N-T-E-R. It should be on your keyboard. Yes, I see so many 3s. Very good. You have 3 groups of 5. Here's 1 group of 5, 2 groups of 5, and 3 groups of 5. So I could skip count by 15. Or not skip count by 15. Skip count to get to 15. 5, 10, 15 plus 2 is 17. All right, I'm going to do a tricky one now because you're showing me how smart you are. So I need to make sure that there's something that I can at least teach you. Let's try a
Wait,
tricky number.
so did we have to draw some circles?
Hold on, Noah, we're starting with a whole new number, okay?
Okay.
All right. I'm going to draw it in dots, and you're going to write down what number this is, okay? So wait patiently as I draw all these dots. Okay, who can tell me what number I just wrote in dots? You can write it on your board and show me. What number did I just create in dots?
Which box?
You can write it on your board and show me. All 4 of these boxes, how many does this? Good, I think I'm seeing the correct answer.
Do we like write the number or like show you how many there are?
You could write the number. Yep. Nice work, guys. I'm so impressed, but I don't want to say the answer in case someone.
Can you see it?
I can see it, Willow. Thank you.
10, 20, 30.
I'm
asking because I can't see it from the camera. This is mine.
Nice work, Mia. That looks great. Can you tell me what number that is? Maybe write it down on your board.
I'll try. I'll think about it.
Okay, think about it. Nice. Good job, Bella. Maybe try that again. Oh, I'm seeing people do some tallies already. Wow. They're moving ahead. So I see a lot of people writing the number 34. And that's great job. Because they know that these groups are 10, because it's 5 and 10.
Here's mine. Here's
So
mine.
here's 10, 20, 30, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. So 30 plus 4 is 34. Now the tricky part might be drawing 34 tallies. That might be where I stump you finally. Can you write 34 tallies for me? Nice work, Artie. That looks great. Oh, I see Zoe's already ahead. She's doing great work. Remember, tallies are in groups of 5. Abe, you might need a little bit more tallies.
So we're drawing tallies, but I just messed up.
34 tallies.
I still have my 7 tallies, but I can't erase them on the paper.
Why don't you flip the paper over and do it on the back side?
Okay. I'm gonna flip it over.
And that looks good. Sophia, that looks good.
But it's gonna take a long time.
Kyron, you might need a little bit more.
But Mrs. Calorie, it's gonna take a long time for me to get done, and it might be lunchtime.
All right, well, take your time and do it right now. Try your best.
Okay, so 10, 20, 30.
I need a little bit more.
Okay.
What are we supposed to be doing now?
Well, you've already done it, so just wait until I get most people. So if you see mine, I've already made 5. I'm going to do another group of 5, which makes 10. I need to make another group of 5, which makes 15. Another group of 5, which makes 20. Another group of 5, which makes 25. Another group of 5, which makes 30. Do I need to make another group of 5 to make 40?
No.
No, that would be too much. So I'm at 30. I'll make 31, 32, 33, 34.
What are we supposed to be doing? I got distracted
We just
by
drew.
the teacher. She's talking to us.
That's okay. We just
I
drew.
need a little bit more minutes.
Okay. We just drew 34 tallies.
Okay, I already did this then. Sorry.
All right, there's a lot of interruptions, so you need to make sure that you're raising your hand. I can see you, so if you have a question, you can raise your hand. We just drew 34 tallies. Next, in the chat, actually, we'll do that. I want you to tell me how many groups of 5 did we have in 34? How many groups of 5, you can type it into the chat, did we have in 34?
Hey, I couldn't see it.
Oh,
I can't see it.
Okay, I'll share it again so you can see. How many groups of 5 did we have in 34? I see Artie's hand is raised.
4, 5, 6. 6.
Artie?
3, 6.
Good, 6. And I saw a lot of people typed it in the chat too, which is great. 6 groups of 5. Here's 1.
Oh, and how do you send stuff on chat?
At the bottom of your Zoom, there should be something that looks like a little speech button,
It is.
and it should pull up a little chat on the side. So if I unshare, there's like a little speech bubble on the side.
What? 66666666666.
Yes. People have been typing that there were 6 to 5 in 34. So now that we have kind of went over our numbers and how we can make numbers and probably count up by groups of 5,
Do we write the number 6?
you could in the chat.
Ew.
But now I'm going to go over directions.
Yeah, the dog's pregnant.
It put that.
Make sure you're on mute, please. We are going to go over the directions for the math game today. So when you go to today, when you go to our class on Canvas, kind of like starting all over again today, you are going to click on the math button, and we're going to play this game today. And you all have a piece of paper or a whiteboard, so make sure you are writing down your equations. That's what this says in all caps. So when I click on the game, oh, this is the game we played yesterday. My fault. Give me 1 second to fix this.
Okay.
I'm sorry, I'm having issues today. We want Friday's math, not Thursday's math, because it's not going to be the same game that we played yesterday. It is a different game. So I have to change. You're going to see all this behind the scenes work that I do every day to make all these buttons work.
Maybe you have to set it up again.
After this, are we going to do lunch?
Yes, after we play the game. Mhm. All right, so I click on math. And when I click on the game, we're playing that 5 in a row game again, but this time it's different because you're playing with 3 cards.
Wait, how do you get on there again?
So you're just clicking on the math button from Canvas and it'll take you to Friday's math and you click on the link.
Okay.
You're going to deal 3 cards, 7, 3, and 3. You have to add 7 plus 3 plus 3. You can tell me what 7 plus 3 plus 3 is. Finn, what's 7 plus
13.
Finn?
13. It's 13.
Yes, thank you for raising your hand. I would cover up 13 just like yesterday. Then I can deal new cards. 0, 6, and 0. Obviously, 6. Cover up 6. Okay? And then you just keep doing it until you get 5 in a row. One thing that I was very proud of some of you, you did make a video to either show me or tell me your equations that you used. You should be writing your equations. Let me unshare this really fast. You should be showing me your equations on your whiteboard or on a piece of paper. Just like yesterday. Most of you were doing that. Some of you forgot and then you had to play the game all over again. You don't want to have to do that. I see that there are some questions. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put you in your breakout room and you are going to get started. And I will put Mr. Smith with somebody.
I have a question.
If you have a question, you remember you can call me to your breakout room, right? And I'm going to help Kyron get on his page also. So, on.